Welcome students to my math class. Today we will discuss about the finding of roots by factorization method. Roots by factorization method. Suppose one example, quadratic equation is there, x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0, and you have to find out the roots. There are two roots because it is a quadratic equation has always two roots. So by factorization method, you have to split this b term ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That means you have to split b term into two parts. So that the sum will be minus 3 and product will be minus 10. So you have to know the b term is the sum term and ca term is the product term. Ca means this is c, this is a. Here a is 1, b is minus 3, c is minus 10. Okay, a is 1, x square minus x square, that's it, that's why a is 1. Here b is minus 3, c is minus 10. So product will be how much? Minus 10 into 1, minus 10, and sum will be how much? Minus 3. So you have to split minus 3 into two such parts, so that the product will be minus 10. So you have to split minus 3 in such a way that the product will be minus 10. So in what way you can make it? Think in what way? Minus 10 can be obtained minus 5 into 2 plus 5 into minus 2. Okay, the product will be like this, and you have to summarize by making sum as minus 3. So by taking these two, the sum will be plus 3. So this cannot be taken. But by taking these two, minus 5 and plus 2, the sum will be minus 3 and the product will be minus 10. So these two terms, minus 5 and plus 2, is acceptable. So we have to find out this one in proper way. So you have to split minus 3 as minus 5 plus 2. So come to the next step, x square minus 3 can be split into minus 5x plus 2x. Here x is there, so we have to write x in each term. Then minus 10 equal to 0. Now proceed by taking common from first two term and second two terms. So what is the common from x square minus 5x? Who can say? X square minus 5x. What will be common? This is x into x, this is 5 into x. So what is common? Only one x is common there. So I will take x as common. By taking x as common, what is remaining here? X. And what is remaining here? Minus 5. Okay. Now from 2x and minus 10, what will be common? 2x minus 10. 2 into x minus 2 into 5. What is common? 2. So take 2. So after taking 2, x will be the remaining, and that is minus 5 is remaining. Now take this. What is common between these two terms? X minus 5 is common. So take x minus 5 as one term. After taking x minus 5, this will be here x and here x plus 2. So this is the answer. This is the factorization. Okay. So finding the roots is not completed. this is factorization is completed. So we have to proceed another steps. X minus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. See, x minus 5 will be 0, 0 by this equal to 0, and x plus 2 will be 0 by this, again 0. So x will be how much? Plus 5, minus 5, changing side it becomes plus 5, or x changing plus 2 side it becomes minus 2. So this is the answer. This is the factorization answer, this 2, and this is the roots answer. Okay. Shall we proceed to another one like this? Okay. Come. Suppose the question is 2x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. So we have to split it by factorization method and finding the roots. So what is b here? Minus 1, x term. 1x is there and minus is there, so minus 1. And what is? This is the sum. And what is the product? Product will be Ca. C is minus 6 into A is 2 minus 12. So split minus 1 in such a way that the product will be minus 12. Or split minus 12 in such a way that the sum will be, sum of that two terms will be minus 1. Okay. So we have to split minus 1 into 2. Think for a while. What are the factors of 12? Minus 3 into 4, minus 4 into 3. Because the difference must be 1. So that I will get minus 1 easily from this. So by taking these two, I am not getting minus 1 as sum. Minus 3 and 4, the sum will be plus 1. But by taking minus 3 and plus 4 plus 3, I am getting minus 1 sum. So I will take this one. So we have to think for a while in this way. So what are the possibilities? The most possibility is minus 4 plus 3. The sum is minus 1 and the product is minus 12. So you have to do rough work for this in this way in your rough page. So come to the next step. 2x square minus, for minus 1 I will write here minus 4x plus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay. So minus x will be written as minus 4x plus 3x. So in order to get this one in this way, you have to do rough work in this way. Okay. Now proceed. Take common from this. X is common and 2 is also common. 2x square minus 4x. 2x square minus 4x. 2 into x minus 2 into 2 into x. See, one x is common and another 2 is also common. So 2x is common. 2x. So I will take 2x. X minus 2. Okay. If you are not getting the proper answer directly, do in this method in your row. Then taking this common from this, 3 into x, 2 into 3. What is common? 3. 3. X minus 2. Okay. Now from these two terms, what is common? X minus 2 is common. Here also x minus 2, x minus 2. The rest will be 2x plus 3 equal to 0. This is the factorization. But to get the roots, I have to proceed another x minus 2 equal to 0. This one, x minus 2 will be 0 divided by this one, 0. Or 2x plus 3 will be 0. Because 2x plus 3 is 0 by this equal to 0. Now x will be how much? Minus 2. Changing its side, it becomes plus 2. This is one root. Another 2x, 3. Changing sides, minus 3. Now x will be 2 into x. So it will be in the denominator or divided minus 3 by 2. So this is one answer, this is one answer. There, these are the two roots. Roots are plus 2 and minus 3 by 2. Okay. For this video, this is the ending. Thank you.